In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy ETF on Wealthsimple. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to my.wealthsimple.com and you want to sign into your account. Once you've done this, of course, you must first open an account or add one over here. So click on add an account. In case you have this, you could just ignore this step, but if you don't, you must of course create one of the accounts over here, and then after you've done that, you can just add the money up here. So click on add money, then you'll have to link your bank account, and then you'll be able to add funds over here. Now, after you do all this, you can then start buying your ETFs. And the way you do this is you want to go to the very top right where it says search name or symbol. You want to click here and you want to type in ETF. After you do this, you'll see all the available stocks and ETFs they have over here. You can just scroll through, do your own research, and then decide which ETF you would like to get. Now over here at the end, it usually says ETF in case this is an ETF, and of course, it's under the ETF category. Now, just pick one. For this instance, I'm going to do just the first one over here, a random one to show you how to do it. And then here you can see the graph and how the ETF is currently doing. Of course, as I said, there's going to be a bunch of different ones you can choose from. And then you can go over here where it says buy. And then you can select if you want a market buy, a limit buy, or a stop limit buy over here. And then after that, you can buy either in shares or in dollars. And then you have to put in the amount of dollars or shares you would like to buy. Now, this will give you either the cost. So over here, if you want to buy 100 shares, this is going to be the estimated cost. But if I want to buy $100 over here, it's going to give me the estimated amount of shares. Now here, you have to then pick your account, and then if you don't have enough cash available, you'll have to click on next over here, and then you'll have to add money via this button, and after this, you'll be able to basically just place your order and then buy your ETF. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.